A sessions court in Surat has today granted regular bail to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in his appeal against his conviction by a trial court in the defamation case that was filed against him by BJP leader Purnesh Modi on what is now uh, commonly referred to as the Modi surname case. The case basically pertains to a remark made by Rahul Gandhi in 2019 in Kolar in Karnataka, wherein Rahul Gandhi had had alleged that, uh, or had rather made a statement to the effect that Lalit Modi, Nirav Modi, and Narendra Modi are all people who have been involved in different kinds of frauds. And he had then gone on to ask, why are all Modis, why are all these people involved in fraud, involved in chori, as he said, uh, people with Modi as their surname? Now, based on that, several defamation cases had been filed against Rahul in different courts. The Surat CJM court, the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Surat, had convicted Rahul Gandhi uh, on the 23rd of March and also sentenced him to 2 years imprisonment, which is the maximum imprisonment given in a criminal defamation case. Rahul's team had then gone and appealed against the judgment. The reason why this is also a very important matter for Rahul is since he's been given a 2 year uh, sentence, although he's out on bail. Uh, Basically, this disqualifies him from his membership of the Lok Sabha, and the Lok Sabha Secretariat had acted very promptly and disqualified him from his membership. Uh, so now his legal team had moved in appeal. Today, the Court of Sessions in Surat heard the application for admitting the appeal, along with two other applications that Rahul's team has filed. One, which was an application to seek a stay on the sentence, which is the 2 year imprisonment, and two, a suspension of the conviction itself, as in uh, the guilty sentence that was guilty verdict that was given to Rahul, handed out to Rahul by the Surat CJM court. Now, why is this an important development in the case? One, the Court of Sessions has granted Rahul Gandhi regular bail, which means that now, for the pendency of the appeal, uh, as long as the appeal goes on, and we know how in the judicial process these things take time. For the pendency of the appeal, Rahul will not need to file another bail application. It's not an interim bail, it's a regular bail. So he'll be out. He won't have to go to jail. Second, this is a partial relief because the court, as of today, has only granted a stay on the sentence of 2 years. It is not a stay on conviction. Why this is important again is because a stay on conviction would have meant that immediately Rahul could have sought a reversal of his disqualification from Parliament, which is not the case now. He will have to wait till the 13th of April, and most likely beyond that, because 13th of April is the next date of hearing that has been granted in the case. Purnesh Modi, the BJP leader who had filed this particular complaint on which Rahul has been convicted, has been asked to file his reply before the Surat Sessions Court by the 10th of April. Subsequent to that, on the 13th of April, the Surat Sessions Court will hear the matter. The the legal team of Rahul Gandhi, the legal team of Purnesh Modi, and also the law officers from the government of Gujarat, which has been enjoined in the case as a party, will have to be present on the 13th of April to make their arguments. Once those arguments are made, the court will give either another date of hearing or maybe pass some other order. But until the 13th of April, the situation for Rahul legally remains very fluid as far as his disqualification from Parliament is concerned. Now, it's important that if the conviction is not stayed, it means Rahul stands disqualified from holding office as an MP, not just for his current, the remainder of his current term, but for the period of sentence, which is 2 years, as well as an additional 6 years, which means that for 8 years in total, he will not be able to contest the Lok Sabha elections, hold office as a member of parliament, and that is why the party has sprung into action, uh, trying to get the conviction itself stayed. As of now, what has been granted is a stay of sentence and a regular bail. Rahul also does not need to appear on the 13th of April personally in the Court of Sessions. As we saw today, the party tried to turn it into a show of strength when he reached Surat to appear in the court. And he was accompanied by a whole posse of Congress leaders, including his sister Priyanka Gandhi, his senior party colleagues Digvijay Singh, Anand Sharma, the three Congress chief ministers, Mr. Bhupesh Baghel, Mr. Ashok Gehlot, and Sukhinder Singh Sukhu, as well as a whole lot of other Congress leaders and party workers. So now on the 13th of April, he does not require a personal required to be present personally in the court. Uh, what happens now, whether he gets a stay of his conviction, we'll have to wait till the 13th of April to see.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.